Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1-2, and I think we're still in that wave 3. Now, the wave 3 definitely could be over. I mean, we are at the 178%. We're definitely making a pretty nice move down. We do not have a breaker structure. And we do not have an engulfing move yet, so we can't say for sure that the wave 3 is definitely over. I think at this point it does look like it probably is over, and if that's the case, we're probably going to spend at least 6 to 8 months in a corrective wave 4 before we actually go up and make a wave 5. So keep that in mind because it's extremely important. Going down to the weekly time frame, even on the weekly we don't have a breaker structure and we don't have a lower high, so we can't say 100% that the wave 3 is over. I still would be keeping a very close eye on these fib levels just in case it does decide to continue the uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I was originally looking at this as possibly being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but at this point I think we kind of got to give up on that idea. I think at this point, ever since we broke structure to the downside a few weeks ago when JPY did the intervention right there at the end of that big candle, I think ever since that day we should have been looking for sorts in a downtrend, and we shouldn't really be focused on when the trend is over. We should just be focused on pullback entries on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend. We are at a Fibonacci level, which actually hopefully is good news for us, because if it does make another three-way pullback, that should give us another opportunity to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I'm definitely only looking for sorts right now, and I'm definitely only going to go short on three-way pullbacks. If you had done nothing over the last couple of weeks except for look for sorts at the end of 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks, this one right here might be a little bit more tricky because it is definitely 5 waves, but there has definitely been some extremely nice entries over the last couple of weeks. Probably at least 3, 4 extremely profitable trades. So I would definitely continue to do that. I 100% wouldn't go short now, but hopefully this will cause a pullback. And if it does cause a pullback, at the end of that pullback is where I'll be looking to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. On these sort of time frames, I'm not trying to concern myself with when the trend is over. I'm just trying to concern myself with getting in short every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.